Hey guys, this is your friend Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel and another video on Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, in this video we are going to show you how to model a cantilever truss in Tekla Structural Designer. So if you want to watch our video on how to model a pret truss over an existing building, you can do so using the link which has been given here. So having said that, let us continue with this video. So for creating a cantilever truss or any type of free-form truss, you need to have the centerline diagram in AutoCAD as I have here, as you can see here. So I will import it as a shadow in my front elevation or my frame view. So these columns are ready, which has been made as per the spacing in the particular cantilever truss. Now we'll just go to the model option and we'll just take a frame. So we'll create a frame along this option because we want to apply the cantilever truss along here. So after going to the structure window, we'll just select the particular frame in which we want to apply the cantilever truss. So for that, we'll just import the DXF file which contains the particular cantilever truss, and we'll just do it as a shadow. We'll choose the base point and fix the base point, and then we'll just click on finish. So after that, we can just select the option of freeform truss under the option of model here. We'll select the freeform truss and we can select any section which we want to give for the truss. So let's say we'll select a circular hollow section of these grades, and the sections will change as per the codes which we are using. I'm currently using the UK codes, so I'll just select here, and here I'll start making this. So one by one we can just make this particular sections. So joining of all the members have been complete. As you have seen, I have joined the members one by one to avoid any error or warnings due to the member intersection. So after we have done it, we'll go to the 3D view and we'll just validate the model. As you can see, the model has been validated, so it's proper. So if you want to further model and design it, you can just populate the columns and you can apply a roof panel above it. We'll show you in another video. And in today's video we showed you how to model a cantilever truss in Tekla Structural Designer. So if you like the video, hit the like button and stay subscribed to our channel, and if you want professional training from us, you can do so by using the link which has been given in the description. Keep learning guys. Bye bye.